Hello, everybody. What's up? Good evening, good afternoon, good night if you're sleeping. But you can still listen in the morning. But here today, I'm going to start using this Isumaya lipstick. So let's open it. So here's the box. Beautiful packaging. And check this out. Looks like, ooh. Did you see this? Have you seen like this before? Not yet, right? So you have to stand up with put in your anywhere or your makeup, and then this is it. Oh yeah, magnetic closure. And here's the color, guys. Ooh, look at that. Have you seen like this before? Never been touched. I never been used this, guys. So I use this for you. Because why not? So this is the color. If it's like I'm scared to swatch it more. I don't want to waste it. But there you go. Just don't go all the way that because it's gonna break. So just halfway, and let's do it and apply. So welcome everybody. If you're new here, and don't forget to follow, like, and share. Not very intense. So buildable. It's like a metallic, guys. I like it. I like buildable lips because I'm scared, when one swipe and it's so bright. I don't like that. And it has shimmer on it. I like it. Like a satin. I like that. So that's how it looks like. Let me closer. What do you think? Alright, so that's all for now for this lipstick. It's nice. I like it. From Isumaya. So, there you go.